Harmonious gardening, our no-till, organic garden. Welcome to the harmonious world of the Veggie-Bed. For over a decade, we've poured our hearts and souls into crafting a no-till, raised row, organic garden. Here, we carefully nurture a diverse array of vegetables through thoughtful crop rotation, ensuring the continuous rejuvenation of our soil and the natural management of weeds, pests, and diseases. Our meticulously planned garden is divided into two 20 by 10 foot sections, further subdivided into two 10 by 10 foot plots. This purposeful layout allows us to cultivate various types of vegetables, root, leaf, legumes, and fruit, maximizing both the garden's productivity and the beauty of its composition. Nestled in the enchanting suburbs of the Western Branch area of Chesapeake, Virginia, our efficient backyard garden spans approximately 450 square feet of our intimate property, which measures just under 1/2 acre. In our garden, we prioritize quality over quantity, granting each plant the space and care it needs to thrive and yield abundantly. Before winter sets in, we lovingly infuse each row with our own organic compost, resulting from our dedicated compost pile. Additionally, we remain steadfast in our commitment to an all-natural approach, eschewing the use of fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. The Veggie-Bed is truly a testament to our dedication and love for the natural world. As the seasons change, our no-till, organic oasis continues to thrive, nourishing both body and soul. The rhythmic cycle of crop rotation dances through the soil, weaving a tapestry of life that sustains not only our vegetables but also the countless microorganisms that call our garden home. When winter approaches, our compost-infused rows rest, quietly preparing for the next chapter in this beautiful story of growth and renewal. And to our fellow gardeners, may your gardens always be a sanctuary of abundance and harmony.